Hey, Charles here with Rocky Mountain, and today I'm giving you a closer look at the S3 cylinder head kits. This is a great way to customize the power delivery on your 250 or 300cc two-stroke dirt bike, whether it's a KTM, Husqvarna, GASGAS, Beta, or Sherco. Now, how they customize the power delivery is by changing the shape of the dome. That has a huge effect on how your bike runs, and each kit is going to come with one dome with an indexing pin that sits inside of the cylinder head. And right here on my left, I've got a stock KTM 300 head. You can see the shape of this dome is in between these other two shapes. So right here we've got the Enduro Extreme cylinder head kit, and this is going to be for hard enduro or any type of technical riding where you want a smoother power delivery on the bottom and you don't want to have that rear wheel brake free. On the right, this is the Enduro Power Cylinder Head Kit. This is going to increase your compression. It's going to give you a more spicy feel on the bottom end. Typically, you're going to be able to carry an extra gear through the corners and up hills. So more aggressive, less aggressive. And with these, they're both going to come with new O-rings for your head gasket as well as an O-ring for the dome. And then depending on your bike, you can get different colors for the domes, so you might want to look at that when you go to order these. Now, other than that, if you have questions on jetting or mapping your bike, typically you don't have to make any changes, so that's nice. It's just going to change the power characteristics. And with that being said, if you need to pick one of these up, we have them on our website. Just click the link in the description below. We offer free shipping on orders over $75, so take advantage of that. And if you have any questions about them, leave those down in the comments. And hey, we've got how-to videos as well. So if you just want to see how to rebuild a two-stroke dirt bike or see what it takes to replace a cylinder head, go check those out and subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.